Yeah. Little pocket, and this is a apple. Just fill it right in there, and then
What'd you rate that?
really good. I appreciate that it's not too sweet.
The croissant or
As
this?
an adult, the jam. Even the croissant on its own is bomb.
It's a buttery, flaky, crispy crust.
Making a buttery,
Buttery, crispy crust.
Baked in a buttery flavored crust. Crust. Yeah. Baked on a buttery, crispy crust. Flaky. I left flaky out again. Baked on a buttery, crispy crust.
Jack, flaky.
I thought I said flaky.
I think the key is to really get it warmed up because, wow. I could eat this by itself. It doesn't even need the filling.
Give that a solid 9.7.
Wow. How would you change it?
It would be a 10 if I was in Paris.
Have some bread. It's very Moroccan in me, I'm not gonna lie.
What, to have sourdough bread?
Just bread and olive oil. It's a finishing oil, so you don't cook with it. You want to make salad with it, eat it with your bread, that good stuff.
And that's real olive oil,
Yes.
not the
No.
multi-country
Nope.
fake olive oil.
This is a product of Spain.
I've seen a video online that talked about how there's like not enough olives in the world to produce all the olive oil that's for sale. So a test is to go find the olive oil that you have in your crib, put it in the fridge, and it should get super cloudy after it gets down to below a certain temperature. If it doesn't get cloudy, you probably have some olive oil that's been cut with some other type of oil. So allegedly, you should be looking for olive oils that are from a single origin, like Spain, Morocco, Italy, etc. If you look at your bottle and it says it's from multiple countries, there's a good chance somebody in that mix is finessing you. Stay woke.
I also got this. Have you tried this flavor?
No, I only tried the cola.
Do you want one of these?
I'll try yours.
I'm gonna get this. Try it. I haven't tried an Olipop yet. Let me just look at the ingredients because I don't like fake sugar.
It definitely has aspartame or something. Stevia.
I'll put it back. Yeah, I don't like that. Stevia. I'm gonna put that back.
Got him.
Matches your jacket.
Come on. Big Olipop gang.
It's kombucha. This one is strawberry
Kombuchini.
fields. There's one that's a ginger hibiscus.
Ooh.
Do you want that one instead?
This looks good. We should try both, huh?
Your kombucha.
You're not getting any?
I got this. The ginger, lemon. There's no stevia. Ingredients are carbonated water, lemon extract, and ginger extract.
All right, you get that. I'll get this. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. This would be really cool for the Polaroid idea you had for the summertime. You could put it on the table.
So I want to get a bowl to put our Polaroid pictures in, but I don't think this is the one.
No?
If we had like a Cape home or something. The oyster little shell is fly. They have some little tiny oyster ones. I think that's a clam shell, but we need something a little bit more aligned with our aesthetic in the crib. You feel me? The shell ain't it. I'm surprised you picked that up for that.
I just thought it's there. It's nice. Next stop.
What's the next stop?
I'm not sure actually. Gotta go throw my girl a cookie and then.
Those glasses are fire. Come model them. Jeez, come on with the boogies.
Sorry, allergies.
It is allergy season. Model those glasses. Let me see. This is the Theophilio Warby Parker collaboration. This is the Sour Sop colorway that is exclusive to Black Fashion Fair. Let me see the little detail on the little tip there on the back. There we go. Let me see the front. Ooh, icy. Icy, very, very retro vibes, very groovy vibes.
All right. Going to check out.
All right, let's get it. Oh, you're driving?
Posey girl. Ooh, don't let me run you over, ho. You don't get your. Oh my god, I broke your chair. Girl, can I help you? Motherfucking, what would I call her? Slime head.
She slime for real.
She slime head for real.
She slime for real.
She was on Nickelodeon. Slime time. What was it called? What was that show?
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hold up. Slow down, nigga, damn.
No, this is.
Why are you speeding in the corner?
This ain't Texas.
It don't matter. I'm gonna teach you how to drive again. You gotta learn.
I'm gonna teach you a couple things too, because you gotta learn.
No, I'm gonna really teach you. Because the way you drive is crazy. Like, just look at you. Look at you, white knuckling. That's what they call it, white knuckling. Gripping the steering wheel like that, speeding in the corners. Like,
Ting-a-ling-a-ling. School bell ring.
Oh, oh, oh!
5 feet away, please. No trespassing.
Yeah. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is.
Cheers.
My drink ain't open yet, but I'll take a sip.
Sugar free.
You can tell?
In the dry.
You can tell?
No, there's no sugar at all.
You can tell it's sugar free?
Yeah, but there isn't like a sugar replacement. You know what I'm saying?
I know, that's what I'm saying. It tastes bland.
It tastes gingery.
It's grown-up juice.
It's definitely grown-up juice, for sure.
I got 4 grams of sugar. This finna taste like butt, too.
But
Here, you gotta take the lid off.
yeah,
This sucks.
I told you.
That shit gotta go in the trash.
Ooh, that's garbage.
What are those?
Snacks.
What the world is he doing? Why are you being so quiet?
Come here, let me feel you.
These horses are wet.
Come here. You okay? You're toasty under there, huh?
Hi, Rosie. Come on, Posey.
She got scared or she saw you?
I called her.
Oh, where is she?
Oh, there she goes.
She's the prettiest girl in the world. The mom is girly. What are you doing? Rosie.
You gotta give both.
I gave her one.
Oh.
You got one already. Stinky girl.
Posey's here.
There you go. Rude. Oh.
Oh, look
my
at Tanky.
God. Tank.
Wow. He's a dirty boy.
Tanky. How? You scare me. Alright. Where's Tallulah? Okay. Good girls and boys! Yay! Goodbye! It's fucking cold.
What about for me? What about for me to give?
You're giving some bloody. Sorry. Oh, can you put your hand in her neck?
She is. She's a little wet, but she's fine. See you later, little cuties. It's hella cold. It's been raining all day. So we literally just popped in to give them a little treat, a little bit of love. And we're back on road, but we will be here tomorrow to check on our girl. And, you know, it's one of them days.
Look at those two over there. They act crazy, and the minute you point the camera, then they're like, act normal. To me.
For copyright purposes, we cannot play the actual song, but listen to Stronger by Kanye West. He said, I heard they do anything for a Klondike, and I'll do anything for a Blondike. And I said, what's a dyke?
So you know exactly what a dyke is.
No diddy. Guys, it's 2024, and we need to...
How did I lose 35 pounds?
We need to prioritize our health and wellness. So we're going into an Anytime Fitness location right now to take a little tour and see what it's hitting for, because I was at Planet Fitness and that shit's ghetto, so we ain't going back there. I actually did come here for a tour before, but I was like, damn, they kind of taxing, if I can remember correctly.
So you've already been here?
Oh, I did a little tour, but I don't really remember. It's kind of vague. It's vague on me. But the whole premise of this spot is you have 24-hour access, you have a little key fob, you can come in whenever you want, do what you want, yada yada, type shit. So
Sounds a little sketchy, I'm not gonna lie.
why you say that?
Imagine this, right? Trying to save a couple dollars on rent. You got a shower? You got a shower?
I think so.
If you felt 24-hour access, I felt I'm here 24 hours.
That's crazy. That's crazy. They better not. There is a little grocery store right here too, so you have everything you need. A little laundry mat right there. You straight. That's crazy.
Let's go. Let's check it out.
All right, we're gonna go see it. Leaving the camera in here, and we'll let y'all know what it's hitting before we come out. And their office hours are like 9 to 4 or something.
8 to 4.
Oh, 8 to 4. So we're gonna have to come back tomorrow. And yeah, just wasn't meant to be.
Not the drama. Just wasn't meant to be. There's never a right time to say goodbye, but we know that we gotta go our separate ways. And I know it's hard, but I gotta do it. And it's killing me. It's never a right time to say go. Listen to your heart, or you know, should be a part, baby. Yeah, I just can't do it. All right, let's go.